Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to uninstall Firefox. So let's get us started. To uninstall Firefox, first access the control panel. In the control panel on Windows, look for Programs or Programs and Features. In the list of installed programs or applications, locate Mozilla Firefox. It should be alphabetically arranged. On Windows, right-click on Firefox and select Uninstall or Uninstall Change. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation process. So that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.